कुलहीन मजलिस इत्तेहादुल मुस्लिमीन के सदर व हैदराबाद रुकन पार्लियामेंट बैरिस्टर असदुद्दीन ओवैसी ने याकुतपुरा असम्बली हल्के में 54 लाख रुपए की लागत से तामीर किए गए कम्युनिटी हॉल का इफ्तिताह किया। बैरिस्टर असदुद्दीन ओवैसी ने याकुतपुरा एमएलए जाफर हुसैन मेराज के हमरा याकुतपुरा असम्बली हल्के के गवर्नमेंट प्रेस कॉलोनी आईए सदन में एमपी फंड से तामीर किए गए कम्युनिटी हॉल का इफ्तिताह अंजाम दिया है। आपको बता दें कि कम्युनिटी हॉल की तामीर के लिए एमपी फंड से 54 लाख रुपए मंजूर किए गए थे। कम्युनिटी हॉल के इफ्तिताह के मौके पर बैरिस्टर ओवैसी व याकुतपुरा रुकने असम्बली के हमरा एमएलसी मिर्जा रहमत बेग, याकुतपुरा इलेक्शन इंचार्ज यासर अरफात, संतोष नगर कॉर्पोरेटर मुजफ्फर व दीगर भी मौजूद थे।
जनाब टी मोहन रेड्डी साहब, लोकल एमएलए मिस्टर जाफर हुसैन मेराज साहब, लोकल कॉर्पोरेटर मैडम, dignitaries seated on the dais, honorable ladies and gentlemen, it is a great honor and privilege for me to be here amongst you. And I think so 1 year or 1.5 years ago, your representative had come and met me at my office at Darussalam, and they had requested me that I should give my MP-led funds to construct a hall in this place. And immediately I had given my letter and had given the responsibility to Mr. Ahmed Beg, who was then not an MLC, to ensure that all the formalities are completed and the work starts immediately. And it is a very happy occasion that this work has been completed, and the government press colony people are utilizing this hall for your general purposes or your functions or meetings. So I hope that more development work should be done. And I also would like to remind you that because of COVID, the government of India had stopped MP-led scheme for all the MPs. So after COVID was over, the government had started the release of the MP-led funds. And my duty as a member of Parliament of Hyderabad Parliament constituency is to ensure that I try my level best to bring in development over here. And I don't know whether I have been successful or unsuccessful, but I can tell you with all the responsibility that as far as efforts are concerned, that I have been trying my best. My party people are trying my best. My well-wishers are trying their best. And hopefully our efforts will bring fruits of development in the Hyderabad Parliament constituency. And I am sure that the local corporator would also extend her cooperation with me. And there has been a complaint against me that I have not done enough development in this area. Maybe you're right, but the responsibility also lies with you, because there has to be more interaction between your colony people and with myself or our MLA Sahab. And I want to assure you that as far as we are concerned, when it comes to development of any area, you can be rest assured that we will take it up. Whether people vote or not, that's a different thing, because end of the day it is the people's choice to who to vote for or who not to vote for. But I am of the opinion that elections are over. People have exercised their choice. The people have given their verdict. The Almighty God is the giver of all positions, and I'm sure that we will try our level best. We have a new MLA amongst you. My request to all of you is that please use him, utilize him, and we are there with him. And if your cooperation is there, I'm sure definitely we will develop all those areas which require development. The local corporator madam has brought to my notice about the roads not being very well. Yes, it is a fact, and I assure you that we will definitely take up laying of new roads, not only new roads, but any development which should be done by GHMC or through electricity department or through Hyderabad Metro Water Supply and Sewerage Board. We are there for you. I want to assure the corporator also. And yesterday Rahmat Beg was telling me that the corporator has complained so that you have not given MP fund. I am willing to give you 30 lakhs, madam. You utilize whatever you want.
Thank you.
My request is that you identify the works within 1 or 2 days and you give the list of works to Rahmat Beg. We will immediately, based on your recommendation in your ward, will take up those works. And hopefully I will try your level best that these works should be at least started. These works should be started as soon as possible. And I'm as far as senior citizen hall is concerned over here, I don't know whether I can give that amount in this tenure of mine, but I want to assure you that inshallah I will become another time MP. And after getting elected, we will definitely give MP-led fund for the construction of senior citizens hall over here, senior citizen bhavan. So my request to you is that give this hall to senior citizens, because your old people, they will not be able to walk up. Give it to them. We'll construct another one. After we construct, you hand it over to the senior citizen. The first floor can be utilized for other general purposes.
Germantown Super Speciality Hospital. Dr. Mir Jawad Zar Khan, Senior Experienced Orthopedic Surgeon, Bone Fracture, Joint Replacement, Hip Replacement और Spine Surgery कामयाबी से अंजाम दे रहे हैं। इसके अलावा न्यूरो सर्जरी, कार्डियोलॉजी, गैनाकोलॉजी, डेंटल, जनरल मेडिसिन, डायलिसिस और फिजियोथेरेपी जैसे शोबाजात में इंतहाई कामयाबी के साथ वाजबी फीस में इलाज किया जा रहा है। शेयरिंग और प्राइवेट रूम्स। अस्पताल में 24 घंटे MRI, CT स्कैन, 2D डिजिटल एक्सरे, अल्ट्रासाउंड, ऑपरेशन थिएटर, ICU और लैब की सहूलत दस्तयाब है। आपकी उम्मीदों के ऐन मुताबिक जर्मनटन सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल, पिलर नंबर 150, अतापुर, हैदराबाद।